Hello everyone, in this occasion we are going to go through how to answer an RFQ on Luxor's RFQ platform. There's two main types of RFQs. There's one to buy and one to sell RFQs. One to sell RFQs are usually miners or ASIC brokers that have inventory which they want to liquidate. Whereas one to buy RFQs are usually miners or brokers that want to acquire inventory. To answer a one to buy RFQ, it's very straightforward. The first thing you do is you open the RFQ. In this example, we are looking at a deal for 1500 S19J Pros. There's already a competitive ask, so there's another broker that, in this case, has already submitted an ask. Their ask price is $17.2 per terahash, which essentially makes the total deal almost $2.4 million. To submit a competitive ask to this one to buy RFQ, it's relatively straightforward. The first thing you do, you will go to this plus button here on the right, and you submit your price at which you're willing to sell to this buyer. So in our case, we're gonna do $50 per terahash. We're gonna say that our response has to be either confirmed or rejected in the next 24 hours. Otherwise, our price expires. We are gonna submit all J Pros 100 terahash for a total of 1500 units, and we are going to offer warranty. Our machines are going to have warranty, let's say, until end of August 2023. Then we're going to go to shipping. Our machines are immediately available, so we're going to say from tomorrow. Pickup will require a lift gate and a delivery appointment. In this case, machines are going to be shipped from the United States, from the state of Texas, and it's a commercial address type. Then you go to disclaimer, you agree to these disclaimers, make sure that you do, and once you do, you can submit your answer to this RFQ. Once you submit the answer, the other side of this RFQ, in this case the buyer, will be able to see your offer, your ask price, and you can also either cancel or update your bid as you see other buyers and sellers kind of competing for pricing. On the other side, we have one to sell RFQs. So let's say if we were in the market to buy some units, we can do the same thing. So we can be buyers for this lot. So to do so, we can submit a bid. Let's say we are willing to buy at $14 per terahash. Our offer is going to be valid for the next 48 hours. And we want to buy the entire lot. This lot was 100 units. So we are going to offer that. Here, when you're buying machines, you can either use Luxor shipping, and our logistics team is going to assist with duties, tariffs, shipping, insurance, the whole thing, or you can take over that yourself and select buyer pickup. In this case, we're going to do Luxor shipping. It's going to be a commercial address, and in this case, we are also going to be shipping to United States, to Washington State. Then you go to disclaimers, same thing. You can agree, and then the seller will be able to see your offer. And that's pretty much it, how you submit answers to want to buy and want to sell RFQs.